the reporting skills or the qualities needed for a reporter, or simply who can be a reporter. All of us know journalism is a profession, and this is the reason why the journalist needs some qualifications and qualities. It is not possible to become all the people, or not possible to serve all the common people as journalist. As a profession, they have to earn or acquire some qualities, some professional qualifications, or some professional qualifications are essential in case of this reporting process. Basically, here we identify which are the essential qualities, which are the basic qualifications or the different qualities needed for a reporter. Whenever we specify the term reporter, he summarizes the term journalist. If you consider the journalist, the basic classification, that means both reporters and editors there we have to consider. But here we only think about the reporting process, and this is why only regarding reporters. As all of us know, reporting is a process of collecting news. The news reporter collects news and then writes as per the instructions, or in journalistic term, as per the style of the media organization. This is why the same report we get from different media vary from one to another. Simply, a report should possess the qualities or eligibilities or qualifications which are needed for collecting news, collecting copy, and then prepare the writing in the written form. Clear? The basic activity associated with a reporter are collection of news material from different sources and then write as per the style of that particular media organization. These are the basic qualities. The collection process and then the writing process varies from one to another media organization, especially when we come across with the print and the electronic. Or then the classifications are also possible there. The newspapers, magazines, then television, then radio, then online or web journalism. These are things also we have seen in the last sessions. The writing style of newspaper, writing style of online, writing style of radio, then TV. One by one, let us consider. First, then let us think about the important things which are associated with the reporting process. Okay. The reporting techniques or the reporting process First, let us consider. The reporting skill we can identify like any other skill. The skills which are needed for the entire reporting process altogether can be specified as the reporting skill. At first, let us consider about the process of the reporting. Before starting the collection of news material, before starting the reporting process, the reporter has to set some objectives on which topic they have to collect, on which area they have to cover. That kind of setting objectives process is essential there. Or the entire reporting process involves first setting objectives. First they have to set objectives. Then the second, the gathering process, the collection process, the data gathering process. Second. Then the planning, then drafting, then editing, then finalizing the report. The stages or the process of reporting, the entire reporting involves first setting objectives, then gathering data, then planning, then drafting, then editing, then the designing process, that means finalizing the report. The entire stage, they should possess some qualities. There, they have to go through the process, all need some technical qualities. These qualities or the process may vary from one to another organization. That means the reporting process of the newspaper is different from that of TV. Both of them are different from radio and then from internet. So let us consider first one by one. The printer, there we relies or depends more on words and photographs, because it is through the words or through the photograph a reporter conveys information. But in case of television, there we required the visuals or videos. When we come across with the radio, the entire information delivered in the form of sound. In online, as you have seen in earlier sessions, the entire atoms are possible there. The words there we can use, the video there we can use, the audio there we can use, the graphics, all things that we can use. This is why the reporting process of one media differ from one another. The process we already explained in connection with the reporting process. Then, whatever may be the nature of the media, the information should be capable or eligible to answer the basic 5 W's. The basic 5 W's should be answered very clearly when we prepare a report for the reporting process. The 5 W's: who, what, when, where, and why. What happened? Who involved in it? When did it happen? Where did it happen? And why did it happen? whatever may be the nature of the media, either radio or TV or print or in online, these questions should be answered. Then only we can convey the information. The dissemination of information in the proper way, then only they have to consider. In print, different type of reporting we have seen. The court reporting or the legal reporting, the crime reporting, political, education, business, the sports, science and technology, culture, civil administration, and go on. Depend upon the nature. There we have to take some different attitudes to collect information. Whatever may be the type of reporting, everywhere we should concentrate the basic elements of news. The basic elements, the news values, characteristics, we already discussed. The proximity, the prominence, the interest, emotional values, the oddity are the main elements that we have to consider. Depend upon these things, we should make sure we are preparing the information in that way. Then, the fairness, balancing are also important criteria we should remember when we are preparing the news reports. And regarding lead also, we should provide some stress on it, or we should concentrate on it. The lead, because it is through the lead a person take decision whether he or she want to reach to the remaining portion of the story. The leads need to tell the reader what the story is about and why it is important. That much importance there a reporter has to give in connection with preparing the lead. Then, after writing it, checking is essential. Verification is essential. Analyzing and interpretations are also important for a reporter. A reporter must write very clearly and effectively. Then only we can influence our readers. Otherwise, they will not be interested to read the story. This is about the print. Then regarding the radio, in detailed manner we discussed earlier sessions. Also, just let us go through these points. The radio is the mass medium that reaches the widest audience in the world. That much importance we should give there. There we have to make use of the techniques of the sound. Only through the sound there we should communicate. The important things you have to remember in connection with writing for radio. Short, keep it short and fast. There we are seeing the KISS technique. Keep it short and simple. Every second counts in radio. Write short sentences with one basic idea in each. If we include more than one idea in a sentence, automatically people will get confused. And there we put or there we provide, there we distribute information into people's ears. One short line at a time only they can accept or absorb. Long complicated sentences full of big words don't make you sound smart. Okay. Then regarding TV, a television report begins with a general simple sentence and signaling the beginning of the story. Usually it consists of a reporter's narration or voiceover and video, which may include graphics, either static or animated. Sometimes the static graphics can be used there. And some other types, animated graphics are also possible there. Depend upon the situation, some changes are possible there. Then, in connection with the TV news reporting, that can be the straight news report or the investigative news reports are possible there. Interviews also part. A written interview or press conference interview or specialized interview or telephonic interview can be used there. Then regarding the web, online media, where we have seen the way the idea, structure, the interactive audio or video or photos are also specified. There we are showing something, there we are telling something, there are demonstrating something, there we are interacting with people. All these kind of options are possible there. We can show something there, we can tell something there, we can demonstrate, we can interact. That much possibilities are there in connection with the web. This is about the important things where you have to remember. Then the basic principles of reporting, that is also associated with the qualities or the skills. The basic principles consist of accuracy, attribution, fairness, and objectives. These are the 4 points you have to remember in connection with the principles of reporting. The fact in a story should be correct and accurate. These are also the qualities we have seen in connection with the rudiments of the news story. That is the same that you have to remember in connection with the principles of news writing also. Minute details there we have to include. Otherwise, people will get confused. A reporter must be precise with every bit of the details of the story. Readers tend to judge a newspaper's credibility by their own experiences with its record of accuracy. Inaccuracies specifies the presence or the sign of a lazy report. If you are well versed, if you are dedicated, only accurate information should be provided there. Then the second one, attribution. Attribution, as we have explained several times, the source identification or spokesperson. Use the person's name if possible, not merely a spokesperson. A reporter should not invent new sources or attribute information to such vague quarters like an informed source, a confidential observer. That is basically to convince the fact and figures which we are explained through the story. Then third one, fairness. Fairness. In connection with the presentation of information, or information should never serve the vested interest of groups or individuals. The fair information are essential there. When a person criticizes the behavior or opinion of another in a story, basic fairness requires that a person criticized is given an opportunity to respond. In all media, both versions should be given there. Whenever we report in connection with the two friends, whenever we provide information regarding a conflict, the both parties should be treated in the proper and equal way. Then the fourth point, objectivity. Objectivity and subjectivity are the two terms even in connection with literature also. In journalism, objectivity is one of the important principles of reporting. Reporters should strive to keep their personal opinion out of a news story. The biased information may lead to confusion. Actually, the persuasion process takes place in connection with journalism. Even in advertisement, the persuasion takes place there. The persuasive communication takes place in connection with advertisement also. Then how much importance, how much influence is take place from the part of a news. So, the personal opinions should be avoided. In general, readers are unable to detect the reporter's political beliefs, religious affiliations, or social attitudes. Every reporter will have his or her personal beliefs. They have their own interest. They have their own involvement in religious or political groups, but it should not reflect in news. At times, a reporter will cover events that run contrary to those personal concerns. Our personal concerns should not involve or influence our reporting culture. Before a reporter submits a story, read completely several times and ask, is it accurate? Does it have a proper attribution? Is it fair? And is it objective? That much importance are essential in connection with the principles of reporting. Principles of reporting. And regarding the determination of the news story, we should think about the impact and consequences, the conflict of the story in connection with the disaster and tragedy, the proximity, the human interest, the novelty or currency of the story, the sex, the eminence or the prominence, the money matters, the power, the celebrity values. Also, let us consider in connection with the reporting process. That much importance there you have to give. Okay, then one more point let us consider in connection with the reporting skills, the qualities of a reporter. The qualities of a reporter. Just we will summarize that. Lot of qualities are essential there because it is a profession. All people cannot become a journalist. Some basic classifications are essential there. And the first quality and the most important quality the reporter has to possess is news sense. News sense. He or she should possess the nose for news. News sense. That is a basic quality of a newsman. Every reporter has to have news sense or nose for news to distinguish news from non-news items. Every incident cannot be considered as the news. Whenever we get an information, a reporter has to identify or classify or distinguish whether it is a news or not. He should be able to compare various news values and make a decisions where to begin his story and should not miss important details. Okay, then second one, clarity. A reporter should possess the clarity of mind and expression. The clarity of mind and expression. If a reporter is confused himself, how he can give an accurate story? Only clarity of mind is not enough unless it is accompanied by clarity of expression. Without clarity of expression, clarity of mind has no meaning. Only a clarified person can interpret a story without any confusion. The first we have seen the nuisance, then the clarity, then objectivity. As a part of principle of reporting, there we have seen, here we discuss it as a quality of a reporter. All the journalists should possess this quality. Objectivity while dealing with the story. They should not allow their personal bias or ideas to creep into the story. They should not take sides but try to cover all the different viewpoints to achieve balance in the story. Balanced information is essential there. Otherwise, the reader and the viewer and the spectator or the listener will face confusion. Actually, with a blind attitude, the readers believe the credibility. The next one, accuracy. That also we discussed. Accuracy, the reporter should strive for accuracy. He or she should check and recheck his facts till he is satisfied with he has them accurate. That is about accuracy. Then alertness. Be alert. Then only he can come across the news sources. Many major news breaks in the fast were possible because of alertness of reporters. If we are not alert, automatically the scoops we will miss, exclusive stories we will miss. A person has to alert while working with the reporting process. Not only in case of reporters, but in case of sub-editors also, these qualities are essential there. Then speed. If we wait for even a minute, automatically we will lose an exclusive story. Because a tight competition takes place in the field of journalism. There, if you wait for half an hour, automatically the people will use or spread the information for their viewers. Then our viewers will miss that information. Okay, be speedy. A person who cannot work fast cannot be a good reporter. While maintaining all other desirable qualities, a reporter should strive to work faster. Whatever may be the news collected, even if we are not getting that to be published, that is lost forever. Then calmness, be calm and quiet. Usually, we will come across with different serious aspects. Then, automatically, if you are not calm and quiet, there we should face some difficulties. Work in trying circumstances, sometimes you will get. The reporters and the editors have to remain calm and composed in most exciting and tragic circumstances. That is also important. Then curiosity. In curiosity. Without curiosity, nothing there we can reveal. Then skepticism. That is also important. Skepticism, with this attitude, with this quality, there we should wait and there we should concentrate. Otherwise, nothing there we can reveal. Okay. Then punctuality. Punctuality, deadline, there we have seen a time. Then patience. Then imagination. Then far-sightedness. Then self-discipline. Then integrity. Then fearlessness. Tactfulness. Reporter should be tactful. He should have the ability to handle sensitive people and situations gracefully without causing hurt or angry feelings. Tactfulness. Then initiative. You should take initiation. Reporter who works in the field should have an outgoing nature with initiative and drive. These qualities will help him get acquainted with the news sources and get stories from them. Then mobility. It is essential to travel, moving around, and should not hesitate traveling distance to get stories when required. These are the important qualities a reporter has to possess, or this can be taken as important qualities needed for a reporter. Lot there we can know for news, the curiosity, alertness, impartiality, intelligence and courage, language expertise, or simply we can specify he should possess the quality of handling media equipment. The technology is advanced. That kind of technology is there, they have to use. Then faithfulness and neutrality. Then knowledge of structure and presentation of news style. The writing style, you should have an idea. Then only you have to communicate to the people. These are the qualities a reporter has to possess. We can add more and more qualities which is needed for a good person. Then the writing skills, they should possess these qualities. Here we specified regarding the writing skills or operations related to different media, TV, web, radio, then print. First we discussed. Then the important points which is related with the reporting process and the principles of reporting. Then now at last, the qualities needed for a reporter. These are the important points you have to remember in connection with the writing answers based on the successful reporting. Successful reporting.